Alam nyo kayo ng ubang department.
Ang edit ano yun yan.
Hindi lagi na sa tanan, maabot ako kabaw.
Are you guys ready? Alright, so are you ready to welcome, socialize, and face the various delicacies of every losers? And now, so let's start this event now.